Hey, what's up, guys? I hope you're all having a great day. I wasn't really going to record a video today, but a part we ordered arrived and we're thinking about putting it in on the Mustang today. We ordered some new headlights to replace the ones on the Mustang. These ones are pretty much like the original ones, just all blacked out on the inside. They're all blacked out. They have the clear indicators on the sides, and there isn't anything too fancy on it. So we're just going to be removing the old ones and putting on the new ones. So now I'll take these outside and we will basically show you guys how to put them on and see how the car looks with these on, because these actually look pretty sick. We purchased these on Amazon for like 150 bucks, so it's not that bad of a deal. So I'll bring them outside right now and put them on for you guys, and let's see how it looks on the Mustang. Alright, so as you guys can see on the old ones, they had started to fade. These are the ones that came with the car. I could polish them up, I could clean them up and restore them, but I'm pretty sure the new ones will look better. So to remove these is pretty much the exact same way as you would for this generation Asthma F-150. There's these two tabs here. Just to pull these up and move this out. Don't pull it out all the way because it is still connected in the back for the turn signal and the headlight. So just to move it out after you remove the tabs, and then you could just pop these ones out and put the new ones in. And so as I said, make sure you don't pull out all the way, because there is this over here. They have to remove this bulb over here and the turn signal right down there. So there's the old one, there's a new one. You will have to reuse the same bulbs, so make sure you have those and just put them in, and then next little bit we'll be having this on the car. Look at that. That looks so much better. Alright, so we put them on and they look much better on the car. They do really match the paint. So yeah, they just look good. It was a cheap, quick easy mod for the new Edge, both GT and V6. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, comment down below if you would use the same ones or some other model, and I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.